Ever wonder just how fast a ninja needs to be? In the world of Naruto, speed isn't just about quick reflexes. It's the difference between life and death. Many dedicated their lives to pushing the boundaries of velocity, aiming to become untouchable on the battlefield. Let's explore those who came closest to achieving light speed. The fourth Raikage A was a powerhouse, uh, carrying the weight of expectation as the son of a legendary ninja. Uh, and he wasn't quite able to reach his father's heights. But his rule brought prosperity to the hidden cloud and a sheer physical strength and wrestling techniques were devastating, and his speed was nearly blinding. Kakashi Hatake, the copy ninja, was a prodigy admired by all. Uh, while naturally swift, Kakashi reached another level after receiving Six Paths Chakra. This power dramatically enhanced his abilities, allowing him to move with incredible speed and even blitz. Kaguya Otsutsuki, the final antagonist, possessed immense power. Uh, uh, her endless chakra reserves allowed for relentless attacks. But beyond brute force, Kaguya commanded a unique space-time ninjutsu. Amanamanaka, she didn't just travel to other dimensions, she brought the dimensions to her, making escape nearly impossible. Might Guy, the Hidden Leaf's legendary Jonin, uh, relentlessly trained to surpass his rival Kakashi. His dedication led him to uh, master the Forbidden Eight Gates, opening all eight, unleashed a speed so great it worked space time, as demonstrated when his attack bent the very staff of Madara Uchiha. Minato Namikaze, the fourth Hokage, was renowned as the Yellow Flash. He didn't just improve the Flying Thunder God technique, he perfected it. This allowed him to move at astonishing speeds, uh, effortlessly eliminating entire platoons of soldiers. Sasuke Uchiha, the Shadow Kage, constantly protected the Hidden Leaf while Naruto was away. He possessed the Ameno Tegekara, a Rinnegan technique that allowed him to instantly switch places with objects or even travel to other dimensions. It was a truly instantaneous ability. Naruto Uzumaki, hailed as the greatest ninja ever, wasn't always this powerful. Through relentless training and battles, he unlocked incredible speed. Um, Using the Six Paths Sage mode or Nine Tails Chakra mode, he could dodge attacks from even Lightning A and surpass that speed. Tobirama Senju, the second Hokage, was a true genius and inventor. He created many powerful jutsu, including the Flying Thunder God technique. This allowed for instantaneous movement, bypassing even the keen eyes of the Uchiha clan. He was a master of surprise and speed. Uh, um, they say a ninja's speed is only limited by their imagination or maybe their chakra reserves. Speaking of which, why did the ninja bring a ladder to the fight? Because he wanted to reach new heights of speed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.